Welcome back to another video. Today we have a hack, guys. This is a crazy hack. If you're on the Ryobi platform, this is a great deal for you. You got the drill driver, you got the sander, you got the circ saw, you got the light, you got vacuum, a charger, 2 batteries, a bag. So this is a nice homeowner set. If you have tools, professional tools, you can leave your tools in the truck and have these tools for the house. It's a great gift for somebody else now that the holiday season. Got Ryobi 1 Plus 18 volts, 5-tool combo kit with 2 1.5 amp hour batteries, charge in the bag. Alright guys, so $149, that's a really good deal. I'll leave the link down below in the description sections. But you do get a free tool. So this is the hack, guys. This is you're gonna get the sprayer, the electrostatic sprayer, or however you wanna. Let's go edit. You're gonna get this. Stop letting me. All right, so you're gonna get the 18-volt handheld electrostatic sprayer. This is like a fogger sprayer. So if you guys want to fumigate, if you don't want this, obviously you can hack this. You can return this to the store and just keep the item at a discounted price. All right, let's check out the total here for you guys. All right, so if you guys go down to the cart, and then again, you can choose any store. I do have the Pure Happy Valley, the 0424, but I'm pretty sure it'll work for any store. All right, so you got the handheld sprayer here. From 99, it's down to 59.48. That's a really good deal. You can choose it to ship to home or store, however you want to do it. But check this out, guys. You guys are getting 5 Ryobi tools for $89. That is a killer deal, guys. I'll leave the link down below in the description section. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.